Hello, Camera Nuts. It's Michael Reed, your one and only, and hopefully favorite camera nut. Today, we're going way back in time. I know, all my cameras go way back in time. This one goes back to 1933. Well, the big, Great Depression was going on, and it was not a good time for anybody. So this camera company called Univex designed a little bitty camera. I'll have to go in and do a close-up of this. And it cost a whopping 39 cents. And you could get a little roll of film for it. That's an actual roll from way back when. I don't know if you can even tell I'm holding it. And it would take about 6 pictures. You would advance it up. This little wire thing was actually what you used to compose your shot. And then your shutter release is over here on the side. So you're actually, and it would shoot up or down. Then you would just advance your film. You had a little window in the back that would show you if you're on the right number or not. And you would shoot it again. Very, very nice thing. In the Depression, people didn't have any money to spend. So you could actually take pictures, get them developed pretty inexpensively. And it was popular. They sold about 2 million of these things. And later on came out with bigger and better versions of it. But this actually has the original instruction booklet with it. I got that with the whole camera package with the film. And another thing that I thought was interesting was in here with the camera. You could actually send off and get a developing kit. So you could develop your own prints and negatives off of this camera. And the whole kit costs $1.69. So not bad. And that's including a camera. So that's a pretty good deal. Now this camera was found basically by the Tooth Fairy. I was a little kid. Tooth Fairy came and left it under my pillow, and I had this and a quarter. So that's how I got it. Stay tuned. I hope you like these things. Subscribe to all of our stuff on social media. Like us, whatever you got to do. I'd appreciate it. This is the Camera Nut, and I'll see you next time.